Meghalaya Swimming Association hakalai pui terik mentau banai leber arajar arpun rio kala Pynkup Burom yiki nong Jngi kibe shimenta haga Jingile akai Asmita Women Swimming League East Zone kabela long hagoti haka arpui bat arpu ar terik leber arajar arpun rio. Yakini kinong Jingiakob Jngi kentup ye pediang suklang singwan igil Darlene's aim sumarbiang maulong I ila risuk Duroy itivisha Jaleva bat I Eugenia Sumer. Na pedeng kini kinong shimenta ha ketika Jingiakob Jngi ipediang suklang singwan iban na kekenhon jang Meghalaya Swimming Association ilawan balai da kabala ban pendep hapo sanpau meters freestyle open category bat kini ke jingjop jang I ka aimen sim ki weipat ki Samla kenthe ban ya shimenta ha kini ke Jingiakob Jngi Meghalaya Swimming Association kala Pynkup Burom ru ikinong Jngi ki beshimenta ha kalumpung Yakob Jngi kabela tip kum ka first Khelo India Tribal Games arjar arpun reu kabela long ha Chhattisgarh. Ki Samla ki bela let yashimenta kini kalumpung Yakob Jngi ki kentup ya Iverem Jedalia Nongsit is Nazarene Paryong I Emrita Kso I Meyai Penksan Eltron Imiban Kitboklang Banai Jennifer Rembai Ban Penshingan Singwan bat I Elbus Winston Kharbani. Hakati ke Jingiakob Iverem Jedalia Nongsit na kekenhon Meghalaya Swimming Association ilawan ha kekerdan balai ha kabay lalaban pendap ha ke 50 meters freestyle open category jong ke first Khelo India Tribal Games. Hakini ke sengi Pynkup Burom kabala pelong ha Crinoline Swimming Pool Shillong la sakilang da kinongkit kam ke Meghalaya Swimming Association bat ha ke jingidon ringkat lang ki bahing sem bat kiwe.
And now, the team manager. Who's heading the games of Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh for tribal games, and also from ila risuk Duroy. Iruta Su May I Pensan Lindo Mewan Kitbok Lang Banai Thank you, Babaika. I now request Jonathan Elbers Winston Kharbani. Thank you, Swimming League East Zone Championship, Guwahati, Assam, Miss Pyeongsu Lang Singwan. Rishibun, thank you, Bob. Swimming Championship at the first Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 at Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and she is none other than Miss Verin Gedalaya Nomse.
Since last year, we were supported by the government of Meghalaya, by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, to give our swimmers the required coaching, the required facilities. Even though we have a 25 meters pool, we had to take them out to Jorhat. So Jorhat was a 14 days training camp, then go to Guwahati again another 14 days training camp. So on and off with trying to cope with all this practice with their studies. Most of them are class 10, class 11, class 12. So it's not an easy task to balance the studies and their sport. But they've given their best. Also, I'd like to thank our coach, who we have recruited since last year. There's a lot of difference now. Previously, they used to swim 1 kilometer. Now they can swim for 8 kilometers a day. Thanks to our coach, Mr. Santosh. He has really contributed so much. And having a coach, all this time we did not have a coach, but having a coach really makes a difference. So in any sports ecosystem, we need the support staff, we need the coach, and we need, there are a lot of people involved to make champions. Infrastructure is a given. We don't have the infrastructure. In fact, if you look at all the top athletes, infrastructure is always there. We don't have the required infrastructure. 25 meters pool and 50 meters pool. So when our swimmers go and swim in a 50 meters pool, it's a world of difference. Then a coach is needed. Then you need a physiotherapist. You need a nutritionist. Food is very important. You need strength training. You need a psychologist. So all these things matter in us. If you want to produce champions. We've tried our best. So this team preparation that is ongoing till now, we have a physiotherapist, we have a nutritionist, we don't have a psychologist yet, but I think the coach is trying to handle many things, and we also try to handle many things. But at the end of the day, as a team, I think this is an achievement, and we really look forward to improving in the years to come. In fact, the National Games, which is going to be hosted by Meghalaya, is happening in 2027, provided the infrastructure is put up on time. But we have a lot of hope because looking at our young swimmers, 13, 14 years old, by the time they peak, means they can compete with other swimmers. And why? Because for the very first time, Meghalaya collected medals at a national meet. And that too, with our limited resources, limited facilities, we could manage. And I would also like to congratulate especially the swimmers who have dedicated their time and everything, including their parents, to make them athletes of a national caliber. We still have a long way to go. As you all know, Meghalaya Swimming Association has been there for more than 20 years now, more than 23 years. So our journey started 23 years ago, and it took us 20 years to reach where we are right now. So it's not the destination actually. The destination is getting into the podium and wearing the medals, but it's the journey. The journey where we have, fought tooth and nail against all odds. get our athletes, young athletes, to commit themselves to the sport and convince them. It's a very long journey, but this journey is also, we still have a long way to go with the nationals coming. And if you look at the age group of our athletes, they're very young. Most of them are below 20 years. A few are 20 and 21 years and in their 20s. I think only one is in her 20s. So this is one or two in the 20s. So this is a kind of the path forward for Meghalaya Swimming Association. And we're looking to provide them the best. We also thank the government of Meghalaya for the team preparation that has helped this young athletes to achieve what they have achieved. Team preparation 100 meters, 50 meters freestyle, and of course in the Khelo India Tribal Games, I was talking to the coach and he said that our swimmers have lots of potential. In fact, we could have won many medals, but because of the few days that we have to practice. But of course, Burom has proven that, with the right facilities, with the right temperament, we can get a podium finish. And she has proven it. She lost by, I will not say lost, but microseconds. Just a microsecond left. And we expected more from our male swimmers too. But anyway, this is the start of the journey. We don't look back, we look forward, and we hope that in the future, our swimmers will do well. Once again, congratulate everyone, the coach, the swimmers, the parents who have supported us so much. And we try to motivate our swimmers, try to motivate our parents, the parents, all of them. In fact, sometimes we end up arguing against each other, fighting against each other, because they